Busta Rhymes, and this is the Ghetto Free Press. I'm standing on the courthouse grounds in Brooks County, Georgia. This is where my grandmother told me that blacks were lynched and taken a westerly, southwesterly course to Nigger Branch, and they were thrown over into that branch. That is a history that has been well documented within the black and the white right community experience. Brooks County is the home of the Mary Turner lynching and the Week of Terror in May of 1918. Brooks County is the place where a police officer, Earl Evans, was burned up in a police car after being shot twice. This is the home of Washington Street High School, an all-black high school where I graduated from. Brooks County is one of the largest counties in the state of Georgia. Brooks County is named after a prestigious individual by the name of Brooks that needs to be researched. Brooks County is a very good place to live. I went to school here. My siblings lived here. But even more importantly than that, on December the 21st, 2010, 10 outstanding black African American citizens were arrested and accused of alleged voter fraud. Talked about mishandling of absentee ballots. Then later, 2 more people were arrested. So we called them Equipment 10 plus 2. After 3 years, they have yet to go to court. What happened to a speedy trial? Just a few months ago, the first person, Lula Smart, was acquitted in this courtroom. Mistrial. And I watched in shock and awe how that case was handled. You can find all that on this YouTube channel. Now, the state of Georgia want to retry Lula Smart on April the 14th at 9 o'clock in this same courthouse. We contend that they have done nothing wrong. We bear witness that the G.B.R. intimidated people here in Brooks County. That's all been documented, but your news media failed to cover that. But that's not why I'm here today. I'm here today to let you know that as it happened here in Brooks County with Equipment 10 plus 2 to control, suppress, and abate the black vote and the blacks from coming into power is happening throughout the state of Georgia. I would have you to understand that Equipment 10 plus 2 made up the majority on the Brooks County Board of Education for the first time in Brooks County history. Many of us contend that that's why they were arrested. They did not want to see a black majority or a black to control the Brooks County school system. Now, just this week, Monday night, I was in Megs, Georgia. But even before that, a week earlier, I went to Megs, and to see what that black male lender has gone through is a disgrace for the peach state of Georgia, and it is indeed a disgrace for the United States of America. Now, the mayor in Megs, as you will see in the next video, this is a prelude to what took place in Megs, Georgia, at a city council meeting. If you want to skip what I'm saying now and go to the Megs video, just go to the next clip. But I want to lead you into what you're about to watch and witness. The mayor received a wake-up call, for they put her under a criminal trespass. And at the meeting the other night, her brother was put under a criminal trespass. Now I want you all to know, in the state of Georgia and in the United States of America, I am under a 300-day criminal trespass warning in Lowndes County. Yet I violated no law. I'm gonna put a pin in that. You can check the clips out and you can find out about that. Look, a few days ago, the mayor explained to the citizens in Megs, Georgia, how she had been locked out, mistreated, and denied the right to serve the people that elected her mayor for the little small town of Megs. You're going to see all this on the next video. You're going to see how 3 black women, let me repeat, 3 black women would not even stand up in unison with the mayor to show the citizens and voters that they respected their vote by putting them in office or being in position to serve the will of the people. The city manager, which I don't know outside of what has happened in the last month. How could they ignore and deny citizens to be heard here in the state of Georgia under what the governor have called the Sunshine Law, open records, the rights of the people? How could it be that an elected body could deny the citizens in the state of Georgia the right to address their elected officials to whom they are paying their salaries and carrying on the affairs of that city through their taxes? Is Georgia not a state of laws? Are we falling as a republic? So as you watch the next video, ask yourself a question. Number 1, is Georgia Attorney General serious about open records, the Sunshine Law, and respecting Georgia and the United States laws of this land? For how could it be that this could happen? Citizens denied the right to stand up to their elected officials and state their case. chief of police who had served the city of Megs for 22 years denied the right to even speak about why he was terminated. Now, I am fully aware of Georgia's disgraceful at-will-to-work law. That means in the state of Georgia, our legislators have voted into law that a person, a worker, can be fired for good cause, bad cause, or for no cause at all, and they don't even have to tell you why. Thanks to the voters who keep voting the same people into office. And so what happened in Megs should be a wake-up call for the black community and the white right community and others who respect and love the state of Georgia, the United States of America, and God's law. Just a minute. I'm going to get back. I want to talk about Al Sharpton and NAN and the other civil rights organizations.